So lately I've been playing around with Framer, and particularly building plugins and custom components for Framer. And in this video, I want to share a little something that I learned around what it means to reuse external libraries inside a Framer React component. So the one that I have in front of me here is a charts component that I'm currently fiddling around with. And if we go into the bar charts component that I have here on the side, you're going to notice something here in the import statement at the top. So we're relying on a external open source library for charts called Recharts. Now, normally, if we build projects not inside Framer in a separate React project, we would npm install the package, and then we would just import it like this. But this doesn't work in Framer. We don't have an environment where we can npm install anything, really. So how can we make use of this? You can see here that we're importing instead from esm.sh. So this is a neat little project that allows you to import JavaScript modules from URLs. No installation build steps needed. So this is exactly what we need in a situation like Framer, where we don't have any installation or build steps available. So how this works is that you, after esm.sh, you specify the package that you want to use. You do have the option to specify a specific version. I'm going to actually delete this to begin with. And then we're going to take a closer look to this external equals React. So if I remove that to begin with and just try to import recharts from esm.sh, if we go back here, we can see that we get an error. Framer is not able to actually resolve this. So adding this back in, this here is actually required. And I believe not only for Rechart, but for any external package that we want to use that has React as a dependency in and of itself. So without this, Recharts is trying to bundle and package together React as well. And there's a conflict between what Framer is doing with React and what Recharts is doing with React. So with this little addition here at the end, we're telling the import from esm.sh that React is going to come from elsewhere. So if we add this back in, we can go back and we can see that our charts is now working again. Now, in this case, it actually works without specifying a version. But if you're using other packages and you're struggling with errors or something that is incompatible with the environment that we're in Framer, you can use the @ symbol like this to specify a specific version of the package. So maybe in this case, we would have something like version 3 of the package is not compatible with the Framer environment, but version 2 is. And so we can use version 2 in this specific case like this. I think for Recharts here, we can just use it as is. But the external equal React, this is the most important part. So that was basically it. That was all that I wanted to share. If you enjoy Framer and you want to see more of this type of content, specifically around building custom components and building plugins for Framer, let me know in the comments. As of now, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with this channel. And right now I'm enjoying, among many other things, building with Framer. So I'm going to pursue these charts, see what we can do with it, and see where it goes. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the content.